Okay, I see we've got our interpreter here.
Yeah, he already took care of one matter. They were just getting a trial date,
Okay,
and we're waiting on the second person to show up.
all right, thank you. And help me understand what's happening with Mr. Timothy Tolliver.
Mr. Timothy Tolliver was originally scheduled for June 24th show cause.
Okay,
He only has failed to display a valid operator's license, and his license is valid. He needed it taken care of as soon as possible because of a job.
okay, all right, we'll get it called and get it done then. Thank you.
All righty.
Whenever you're
For,
ready.
yep, I'm ready. Madam Court Reporter, ready? Okay.
Ready.
Okay. For Timothy Titus Tolliver, SP 1898892, count one, failed to display a valid operator's license.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Tolliver. Just state your name for the record, please.
Timothy Tolliver.
Thank you. All right, I'm hearing that we have confirmed that you do have a valid driver's license. On that basis, I'm going to go ahead and dismiss your ticket at this time. Okay, it is dismissed. You don't need to come back to court.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Do you want me to show you?
No, it's okay. All right,
So,
great.
so it's dismissed, right? Like the whole.
It's dismissed. It's gone. Good luck with the new job.
Okay, thank you. Now, can I get the documents emailed to me today so I can send them to the background check and have it cleared so I can work my job, the Uber job?
We talked about this, Mr. Tolliver. I have your email address. I will email it to you.
Okay,
Okay. Thank you
that's
so
Madam
much.
Clerk. So look for that by the end of the day. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Have a good one.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Okay,
And
do I
Mr.
leave?
Yep, you're good. Thank you. Okay. Mr. Taylor, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court? I feel like I remember you being here before.
I was in your court on the 3rd. That's why I was trying to figure out, because I know I was supposed to be in the court this morning for this, but I guess I'm not sure if they did it on the 3rd or what.
Okay, let's take a look. Give me just a minute. Take a look at my docket for today and see what it says about you. Madam Clerk, I see offers. Do I have a docket in my email?
No.
Okay, would you send it to me, please?
I sure will.
Thank you.
Oh, I think his is, it says arraignment on a bench warrant, but I think it's a review. I'm trying to see what case.
Oh, I see. Yep, we've got a 3-month delay. He was got an offer on the offer sheet to a 3-month delay. So I'm wondering if that's what we did when. Let's see.
So he pled guilty on June 26, 2025. He was sentenced to $240 on a 3-month delay, and no payment has been made.
All right, Mr. Taylor. So that's been almost a year. We should be at the point, way past the point where we should be removing this violation from your record. But it's not because you haven't paid. What's going on?
I'm in the process of trying to build up some money so I can pay it.
Okay.
Because I'm unable to work due to my injuries.
Gotcha. Well, then it wouldn't help me to give you community service. Or they might be able to place you someplace where they could, get around whatever the injuries are that you have. If you'd like me to try to convert it to community service hours.
I have a pinched nerve in my lumbar spine, and I had surgery on my knee.
Gotcha. So do you want to reach out to that? Do you want me to give you an alternative to do community service, and you can reach out and see if they have any work that you can do with what you've got going on?
I don't have a problem with that.
Okay, so we'll do it both ways. So what I'll do, Madam Clerk, would you call the case, please?
Okay. For Trevelyan Taylor, SP 172044411, alcohol-related violations scheduled or arraignment on bench warrant / review.
Thank you. Mr. Taylor, state your name for the record.
Triville Taylor.
Okay. Now, here's what you need to understand. I don't control the offer to a delayed sentence, right? Only the
Yes, ma'am.
prosecutor can make you an offer to the delayed sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
As part of the plea bargain that you entered. So I'm saying that because it was part of your plea bargain, okay? The only reason
Understood.
that I can give you more time is because on the offer sheet, she's indicated 3 months, so I'm willing to give you the 3 months, okay? But we're
Yes,
way
ma'am.
past time. What I can do for you is I can reduce your fine to 190, okay? As low as I can go, so I can reduce
Yes,
it to
ma'am.
190. And then I can give you an additional 3 months, which I will do. And then the final thing that I will do is I will convert this to community service hours. Let's see where we get if we do that. So if you do community service, it would be 13 hours. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to give you a
Yes,
phone
ma'am.
number to take down.
Okay.
Let me know when you're ready to take that phone number down.
Give me 1 second. Let me find a pen, please.
Okay, go ahead.
So Your Honor, it's, complete 13 hours or pay the fine?
Yes, 190
Okay.
or 13 hours of community service. We'll give him the number to community service and set a 3-month review date. What's our 3-month review date?
September 8th.
Okay, so we'll bring him back September 8th. You said 8:30?
Yes.
Okay. We'll set another review for September 8th.
I'll also send him a chat to get his number.
Thank you.
He comes back.
Okay, Mr. Taylor, I muted you, so if you're ready, please go ahead and unmute.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Madam Clerk, he's ready for the number.
Okay. Okay, the number is 313-965-8130.
Okay, so I called them about the community service, correct?
Yes, tell them you've got 13 hours that you need to do and let them know what your physical limitations are.
Yes, ma'am, I surely will. And so I got this, and you said $190?
Or it's an either or. So you can do the community service or you can pay the 190, but one of them you need to try to get them done in 90 days. And then we're going to bring you back. I need you to zoom back in September 8th at 8:30 a.m. so we can check in like we did today
Hold on, you said September 8th?
at 8:30 a.m. And you've got that phone number. You need to call it.
Okay, not
Okay.
understood.
And then Madam Clerk has sent you a chat because she needs to get some information from you. And then we'll see you back September 8th. Put it in the chat. Do not tell us over the air. We're broadcasting, so put the information
Understood.
she's asking you in the chat. Okay, thank you, Mr. Taylor. Okay, Zoom user, good morning. What's your name, please?
Marwan Thomas,
Spell the first name for me, please.
Marwan.
Okay, thank you. Is this your first time in my courtroom, Mr. Thomas?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm going to get you into a breakout room so you can speak with an attorney before I hear your matter, okay? They'll be with you shortly. There's a little bit of a wait, but it shouldn't be too long. Just try to be patient. You're going to room 9. Please hit join.
Thank you.
Mhm. Morning, Miss Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How are you?
Very well. How are you?
Good. Do you have co-host? I was trying to give it to you and the screen started jumping around.
Yes, I believe so. Yep, I can see the
Great.
breakout rooms.
Okay, very good. Attorney
I'll
Barton, good
go in
morning.
Morning, Your Honor.
and I'll go in room 2. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Can can I ask a brief question? Sorry to
Sure.
interrupt.
Uh-huh. Go ahead.
When in your court, are we given if they're getting a bench trial or something of that nature? I have the dates here. Are they still coming in front of you, Your Honor, or
Nope,
do
they
we
can
get?
sign and fly.
Sounds good. I just take their information down and
Yep.
give that to Madam Clerk. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. By the way, we went viral. I
I
didn't know that.
see.
Yeah, sorry about that. My bad.
I see. It's okay.
All right, I'm going in.
All right.
Let's see, Miss Leandra.
We just get the cases we get. Can't help it. Okay. Attorney Fanning? Attorney Fanning, I need to move.
Yes,
Good morning.
yes,
I need to move you to room 2 to see the city attorney. She's
I
there.
appreciate that. Thank you.
Uh-huh. You can go ahead and join room 2. She's there waiting.
Good morning, Madam Clerk and Madam Court Reporter.
Good
And-
morning, Attorney Hoare.
Good morning, and Interpreter Diaz. I hope today is as easy as it looks.
Good morning.
Good morning.
The interpreter here.
And it's the prosecutor here. And Madam Clerk, I'm just gonna run over to my other courtroom and see what's going on and come back and see what officers fall in and what House Counsel might need in about 20, 30 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's see. Lamaria Thompson, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm fine, and you?
Good. Have you been in my courtroom before?
No,
Okay, I just want to make sure that you're not. And you haven't spoken with an attorney outside of court?
no.
Okay, thank you. Let me get you into a breakout room so that you can do that before I hear your matter. There's a little bit of a wait, but it won't be that long. You're going to
Okay.
go to room 10. Please hit join.
Okay.
Madam Clerk, what time was our other interpreter matter expected?
8:35.
Okay. Good morning. Phone number ending in 4731. What is your name, please?
Atlas Parker,
Spell the first name for me.
ATLAS.
Last name is Parker.
Yes.
Mr. Parker, have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
So I haven't. I'm currently in a Zoom video, but they sent me somewhere else, and it's just nothing popping up. I'm just on the video call. Is this
Oh,
like
I
a
see
break
you're in
room or
room
something?
8. Okay, I'll put this device in room 8. See how you guys can do with both of them in there. Okay, send you to room 8. Go ahead in. Interpreter Diaz, good morning again. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Okay, it looks like you're on your way into another matter, and our other person was expected at 8:30, so I'm assuming they may not show.
Understand, I'm here entering the 36th District Court, Your Honor.
Oh, you're around. Okay.
Yes, so if you need me, I can come to your courtroom too.
Okay, thank you. We'll reach out if we do. I think this person is likely not to appear.
Okay, and what I can do is I can go to your courtroom, leave my phone number there.
Great.
So
That
in
would
case
be
they
excellent.
need me. Okay,
Thank
I'll
you.
do that in a
Thank
few
you.
minutes.
437.
Bye-bye.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Attorney Barton? Attorney Barton? Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your offer on room 5 is a 3-month delay.
Thank you very much.
Mhm.
All right. I think I'm good other than that.
Yep, looks like it.
Let me jump in there and get this going. One moment.
Good morning, Attorney Taylor.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay.
Who do you have today?
I have Malik Taylor. I wanted to I think it's 9:15.
Okay. He's not here yet. Are you expecting him to appear?
Yes, he should be here at 9:15, I guess.
Okay.
I'm a little early.
Very good. All right. I've given you co-host. Ms. Horn will come to room 2. If you stick around for a minute, I can check the offer sheets for you since she's not here at the moment. Give me just a moment to get Mr. Talick done, and then I'll check that for you. Madam Clerk, whenever you're ready to call the Arnell Talick matter, please.
Okay. Just a minute. For Arnell Talick, V 502-54525, parking lot and attendant failure to obtain license.
Thank you. Counsel, your appearance, please.
May it please this honorable court, Darnell Barton, P 83363, on behalf of Mr. Arnell Talick. Sir, can you state your name only for the record?
Arnell Talick.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's a date and time for a pretrial, I believe. The people were gracious enough to give an offer of pleading to a 3-month delayed sentence, of which Mr. Talick has been made aware of his rights, and he'd like to avail himself of that offer.
All right, thank you. Mr. Talick, does that sound correct to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, Your Honor.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. May I have a date and location?
It was April 11th.
1 second, Mr.
No
Talick.
problem.
Sorry about that.
That's okay. And if he knows it, it's okay for him to tell me.
Right.
All right, go ahead, Madam Clerk.
April 11, 2025, 4222 2nd Avenue in Detroit.
All right. Mr. Talick, is it true that you were operating a parking lot at that location on that date in the city of Detroit without a license to do so?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Your fine's going to be $190. You have 3 months to get it paid. As long as you pay it off in the 3 months and don't get any similar tickets, we'll just pull this up and dismiss it. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
If something happens where you don't get the fine paid or you get another ticket like this, then you got to come back and see me in 3 months, which would be September 8th at 8:30 in the morning.
You won't see me. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Have a good day, sir. All right.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, let's look at Malik Taylor quickly and then I don't know. Yep, I see Attorney Barton. I'm trying to see if Gaten Robinson, she's been stuck in 6 for a while. Could you jump into 10 and see if you could just help her with room 10?
Absolutely. And also, Your Honor, I have 2 individuals. I don't know if you want me to direct message Madam Clerk their information.
Oh yeah, just she prefers an email after
email,
court.
email.
So she's not trying to keep up with so much. And what I'm gonna do, Ms. Thompson, I'm gonna just move her to room 9, so she's technically in your room. Secretary of State is showing suspended.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor.
All right, and then Attorney Taylor, let me help you with Malik
Malik Taylor.
Taylor. Let's see what we've got there. Sorry, trying to bring up my offer sheets. Okay, scheduled for 9:15. Oh, no offer on the sheet. Nothing
Okay.
written.
Okay, we're gonna set it for a bench trial, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. That's a new one. Violation of Clean Air Act. Is that what he's charged with?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
I need to talk to him too, please.
Okay, I'll put you in a breakout room with him. Let's get your date to come back. You want to set it for a final pretrial?
No, trial was good. I have already June 30th. They told me I have another one, Pedro Juan.
In my courtroom?
Yes.
Okay, you want to do it June? Well, is June 30th give us enough time? Yeah, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. We'll set it for June 30th then at 9:30, and then I'll go ahead and get you and Mr. Taylor into a breakout room. Malik Taylor, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm going to put you in breakout room number 3. Your attorney will be right there to see you, okay?
Okay.
All right, join room 3, Mr. Taylor.
All right, thank you.
Corporal Whitehead, which case are you here on? Good morning. Corporal Whitehead, when you have a moment, please unmute and let me know which case you're here on. Good morning, Destiny Thomas.
Yes, good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you today?
I'm blessed. I can't complain now.
I see you're scheduled for trial today. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No, ma'am, not as of today, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. We've just got where I think when this is when we're going to see who shows up. We've got some older cases.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, I have Attorney Bothman's name next to yours, so that would mean that he is appointed to you. We'll get him here to speak to you, okay?
Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate you.
Thank-
Your Honor, we would like a bench trial on Malik Taylor.
Okay, one moment. All right, Ms. Thomas, I'm going to put you in room 3. Please hit join.
Thank you.
All right, Madam Clerk, would you please call the Malik Taylor matter?
Okay, for Malik Taylor, U 743-61426, manager allowing smoking.
All right.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Malik Taylor. Mr. Taylor, would you introduce yourself, please?
Mr. Taylor, please unmute, turn on your camera.
Hi, I'm Malik Taylor.
Thank you. Counsel?
Your Honor, we'd like to set this for a bench trial. I spoke to Mr. Taylor, and we'd like to set this for a bench trial. I think the date is June the 30th, Your Honor.
Okay, we can do June 30th at 9:30 a.m., okay?
All right, thank you, Your Honor. Have
All
a
right.
good rest of your day.
Okay.
Mr. Taylor, I'll be in touch.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Mr. Taylor, see you soon. Bye-bye. Corporal Whitehead, can you hear me? I really don't know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good morning. Do you know which case you're here on today?
Yes, let me see here. It's gonna be, first name is gonna be Tyson.
Tyson?
Let's see here. Hold on. Okay, let's see. It's going to be Kite, Kite.
That's a
And then I
first,
got,
is that a first name?
that's the last name.
Okay, I don't have K's, so that won't be with me.
Wait a minute. Is this Kennedy's courtroom?
No, Ramsey-Heath.
Oh, shoot. What courtroom is Kennedy in? I thought this was,
I don't know. Madam Clerk, do you know which courtroom is Judge Kennedy's?
435.
Okay, you
Okay.
just want just a couple numbers off.
435. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Sure. All right, Attorney Barton.
So, Your Honor, we're just waiting, Madam Prosecutor to respond, and then hopefully we can get a deal for her.
Okay. That's on Lamaria
Uh,
Thompson.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Did she give an offer on the offer sheet on that one?
You know what? I can't even find that form. Do you?
Oh, okay. That might be why you're nuts. So the way she does it, she just writes her offers directly on the docket. Her offer is to one count of failure to display, dismiss the no insurance, dismiss the unregistered.
Yeah, give me 2 seconds.
And then we do need to run an SOS though, or do you know if we need to run an SOS on her?
I think they did already and said it was suspended, Your Honor. Madam Clerk, is that proper? I think it was done before when she was in the even rooms.
Okay, gotcha. Yep, you're right. I did say that. Thank you for reminding me.
No, you're okay.
You're right. She's still suspended. So that's the offer. FTD, dismiss the other two.
Amen. Give me 1 second.
Officer Stevenson, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you this morning? I think your audio just went out. I can't hear you.
Oh, sorry, I'm having an issue with my phone. Give me 1 second. Oh, God. Okay, there you go. Hello?
Yes.
Okay. How you doing? I'm calling in for Destiny Thomas.
Yes, she is checked in.
Okay.
I'll get you into room 2 so that you can see the city attorney about her case. City attorney is not here at this moment, but she'll be here.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to move you to room 1.
Okay.
Go ahead and join. Okay, Ms. Thompson, we'll get your plea done. Madam Clerk, when you're ready to call the Lamaria Thompson matter. Make sure you're not muted, please.
Okay. For Lemuria Maisha Thompson, SP 1838069, counts 1, 2, and 3, and all other matters scheduled for today's docket.
Thank you. Good morning, counsel. Your appearance, please.
May it please this honorable court, Darnell Barton, P 83363, on behalf of Miss Lamaria Thompson. Ma'am, may you state your name in full for the record only, please?
Lamira Thompson.
Thank you.
Your Honor,
Counsel?
today's the date and time for a pretrial. The people were gracious enough to give Ms. Thompson a plea offer of an amended charge of failure to display with the remaining counts to be dismissed. She's been made aware of her rights and she'd like to take advantage of that offer.
All right, thank you. Ms. Thompson, yes, your plea offer reflects dismissal or reduction of driving on suspended license to a failure to display a license with dismissal of the no insurance and no registration. Does that sound correct to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, Your Honor.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location, please?
December 6, 2025, Greenfield and Orange Lawn.
Thank you. Ms. Thompson, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Counsel satisfied as to the factual basis? All right, I think you said satisfied. It doesn't look like you're muted, but I couldn't hear you.
Satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
I'm sorry, I didn't know.
That's okay. Thank you. All right, Ms. Thompson, your fine's going to be $190. You have 60 days. 60 days to either get it paid in full or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse. They can put you on a longer term plan than I can, but they'll want a down payment from you. If you get that done within the 60 days, if you're going to take that route, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good day. That's how you keep all this in place. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right. Have a good day. Bye.
You too.
Your Honor, I could jump into Atlas Parker, I think.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, she must be stuck on with something pretty complicated in room 6. So
My sis needs me. I'm here.
okay. Thank you. Appreciate it. Attorney Gaden Robinson, main session at your convenience, please. Hey, okay, I know you were in for a while with, was it Mr. Taylor? He just disappeared.
Yes, Your Honor. I mean, I really had a social worker hat on more than I had a lawyer hat on this morning with him.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, he had a lot going on, but I was trying to help him get to some programming to
Okay.
help him be in a better position.
Okay. Is he street court eligible?
No, he is not homeless. We're live streaming.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna chat you.
Okay, thank you. Did you give him a date to come back?
Yes, he's coming back on the 30th for a trial date.
Okay. I'll watch for your chat. All right, Officer Duthard, I know you're here on Destiny Thomas. Good morning. Going to get you into breakout room.
Good morning.
I'm going to get you into room 1. City attorney will come there to meet with you.
Okay.
Yep, go ahead and join room 1. She'll be there shortly. Where'd the other officer go that was just here? Stevenson was here. Jason Thomas, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Wonderful.
Good. What time are you scheduled for today?
9:30.
Okay, thank you. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
Miss Ann Fanning, Miss Fanning.
Miss Fanning is your attorney. Okay, thank you. She was here this morning. Have you spoken with her this morning?
Yes.
Okay, and what did she tell you when she, I mean, or did she tell you to come in? Is she gonna get you another date? I'm just trying to understand.
We just had a Zoom meeting
Okay.
this morning.
Okay, well, you're scheduled for trial, so let me just make a note and we'll see if the officers show up. She was here, so if we need her back, we'll get her here, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put you in room 4. Go ahead and join room 4. When the attorney gets here, I'll let you know. Officer Stevenson, you're back on Destiny Thomas.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. My phone got disconnected.
That's okay. I'm gonna put you back in room 1. City attorney hasn't made it back yet, so just give me a minute.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sending you to room 1, Officer Stevenson. Go ahead and join, please.
Okay.
Okay, Attorney Gaten Robinson, let's see. Understood. Thank you very much. Okay,
Okay,
that's hard. It's really hard.
yes.
It's really sad that we have failed people in the way that we have.
And I think sometimes it happens with family thinking they're helping,
Yeah,
but not helping.
yeah,
They'll do for you.
yeah,
They'll do it for you instead of letting you learn how to do it.
yeah, yeah,
And then when you need to do it for yourself, you never learn to do it.
yeah, yeah. Okay.
And then they get tired of doing for you because you should know by now.
Right. Yeah,
But
then you're on your own.
crippled them for them to know.
Yeah. Well, I thank you for taking the time this morning. I'm glad that you had some places to direct him.
I've had several clients in his position.
Yeah.
And I'm the type of person, I'll make a Facebook post and ask my friends, hey, I need resources for a client.
Exactly.
And so
yeah.
I just remembered some of them. And so I started with that and gave that to him.
Okay. Well, thank you for doing that.
Mm-hmm. I guess that's the attorney and counselor part of this job, huh?
That's right. As I said.
Let me see if I got anybody else in there. Okay, let me go to my other room, Your Honor.
Okay. Oh. Oh, Attorney Gaten Robinson, Mr. Thomas has retained counsel. Attorney Gaten Robinson, Mr. Thomas has retained counsel who has already appeared once this morning. Okay, ready on Atlas Parker. Atlas Parker, please unmute, start your video. Madam Clerk, ready when you're ready to call the case, please.
For Atlas Jerome Parker Jr., SP 1455326, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, and SP 1436797, counts 1, 2, and 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, no insurance misdemeanor, drove while license not valid or improper license.
All right, counsel.
May it please this honorable court, Darnell Barton, P83363 on behalf of Mr. Atlas Parker. Sir, can you state your name in full for the record only, please?
Atlas Parker.
Thank you. Your Honor, today's the date and time for an arraignment. My client will stand mute, waive any formal reading of the charges, ask you to enter a not guilty plea.
Court notes formal reading has been waived, enters a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Mr. Parker, the charges that were read on the record, carry a fine of up to $500 or 93 days in jail, neither of which are being imposed today. All right.
Thank you,
Thank
Your
you.
Honor. The people were gracious enough to give an amended charge of failure to display and improper plates, of which he would like to, excuse me, he's been made aware of his rights and he'd like to avail himself of that offer.
All right, thank you. Mr. Parker, does that sound correct to you? You're going to plead to one count of the failure to display, which is a reduced charge, and one count of improper plates with a reduced charge. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, Your Honor.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, I am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Everything I tell you today is going to be the truth, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location on the failure to display an improper plate if we can get them on the same ticket, please?
For both February 23rd, 2023, McNichols and Coyle.
Atlas Parker, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, Your Honor.
As it is also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle at that time due to a lack of registration or insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. Counsel satisfied as to the factual basis?
Satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. As to the failure to display, that fine is $190. Since I've got the improper plate on the same ticket, I can reduce that one to $100. So $290 altogether. 60 days to get it paid or to get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. If you want to get on the payment plan, you just go see them. They're going to tell you that they need a certain amount down. It's usually about 25%. And then they can stretch the payments out much longer than I can if you want them to do that. Okay.
Okay.
But you should, if you know you're going to want to do that, go see them sooner rather than later, because if you have old tickets and default or things like that, they're going to roll them, those costs in. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a good day.
You do the same.
Thank you. Bye-bye. All right. I guess that does it. And we may be ready to deal with trial cases almost on time. That's good.
Interesting.
Okay. I've got two waiting for Attorney Boffman and Attorney Fanning to get here. Gaten Robinson is in 10. And
do we have any that are going? You have some that are going?
I don't know yet because the attorney, I'm waiting for the attorneys to get here. So because I don't know what they're going to do.
Active listening.
But
My bad.
I do appreciate your very good work the other day, and it was very good work.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I was actually gonna figure out how to reach out to you without doing ex parte and apologize to you, because that is not how I like. Honestly, he pissed me off once I saw the video, and I just changed my whole trial strategy.
And you're on YouTube, but it's okay. But no, I mean, like I said, we take the cases that we get. You know what I mean? What ends up in front of us ends up in front of us, and we do the best that we can with them. I just really wanted to say I do think you did a good job, and people don't understand how very, very, very busy this court is and how many courtrooms you guys are having to run between and clients that you're having to see in cases that you're having to deal with, and then they get complicated like that one. So
can I say, from our perspective, right? And again, I've been on both sides, so prosecutor and defense. One thing you appreciate is a judge who is not gonna sit there and let the court be BS'd. And I appreciate that about you, because there's a certain component where you know what the lawyers are trying to get to, like we're trying to derive from this issue or fact. And then there's something where like you're belaboring the court. All right, now you're wasting everybody's time. And there's some judges who will just sit back and let us just waste the time. And I'm like, oh my God. So I just appreciate you not doing that, and also keeping me on track. There were times where I wanted to go down this petty road of, oh really, what law school, like that part. But I appreciate you keeping me on track too.
No,
so
it's, without even speaking about that particular case, like I said, we get
in general.
yeah, we get what we get, and we do the best that we can with it, and
Mm-hmm.
I try to view things on a case, take it on a case by case basis. And I often say to people, I think I have the easiest job in the courtroom. And
Really?
sometimes people forget that,
You
like,
think so?
well, Madam
That's
Clerk is pulled in a million different directions. So are you. So is Ms. Horn, and I get to sit here and focus on the case before me,
that's
without
hmm,
being split in 20 different directions. So, I appreciate the work that you guys do and the
that's
way that you handle yourselves.
that's so funny that you describe it that way. Because from our perspective, I'm like, man, you are listening to all of these things, and
Yeah.
you don't know the facts, so you're hearing it from each side, and you're like, okay,
Yeah.
like what's. So anyway, I thought
Yeah.
that was cool too.
Well, that's what the
Anyway,
job is, but it's much easier when you can keep your attention focused on one matter at a time.
there you go.
And I have the luxury of doing that. I'm
I'm
just
not
dealing with
mad.
the case that's before me.
I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm gonna hang tight. Do they need me to just jump in the room, or what would you
Let's
like me
see
to
who's
do?
on this iPhone. On the iPhone, good morning. Could you unmute, please?
It's me, Attorney Andrea Fanning. I've
Hi.
been communicating with the prosecutor, so I'm just
Oh,
waiting
great.
for her to get back with me. Thank you.
Okay, great. Your client is here. And so let me just see. Do you want to go in with your client at all? He is in, excuse me, room 4. I don't know if you heard
I
me.
don't need to break our room yet because I'm waiting to hear back from the prosecutor.
Okay, then I'll move you to 2 just so you're not on display here. And she'll know where to find you when she gets here. So you can go ahead to room 2. Okay, Attorney Barton, that might be it for you. I'm just trying to see which trial cases I have at 9:30 and see if there's a continued need. I've got counsel on Destiny Thomas. I've got counsel on Jason Thomas. I don't have Jesse Tucker checked in yet, but they're also with Bothman. So if they do check in, that's who they'll see. So it looks like you're good to go. Like I said, I know you
Okay.
guys have a million other places to be. So
Trust me. Your Honor, is always a pleasure to everyone. I'm going to email you the people, Madam Clerk. I'll email you the people that we set for court appointed and bench trials and stuff like
okay,
that.
sounds good.
Okay.
All right, you guys have a great one, okay?
You too. Thanks.
Bye bye.
Madam Clerk, would you reach out to Attorney Bothman and just let him know his client has been here for a bit?
Yeah, I sent him an email. He didn't answer, so I sent an email.
Thank you. All right, we need to take a look at Jason Thomas. I've got Fanning appointed. Madam Clerk, could you do me a favor and look at the Jason Thomas file, see which officer or officers we're expecting on that case? We haven't had anybody check in to my knowledge.
Javion Davis.
All right.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Sure.
So no officer for Jason Thomas?
I still don't have an officer checked in on Jason Thomas. I'm waiting on Bothman for Destiny Thomas. You do have two officers here, though, on that
Okay.
one, if you want to go in and talk with them. Attorney Fanning is in room 2. She's on Jason Thomas.
Yep, I let her know. She just texted me too. Yep.
Yep, I let her know she can make her motion at 10 if we don't have an officer.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Oh, a co-host.
Oh, thank you.
Your hair looks really nice. It's all smooth.
Oh gosh, thanks. This means I really need a hair appointment. It is gelled, slicked, everything else trying to calm
That's
it
the
down.
best. What I found is hair like it grows when it's like that.
Yes, exactly.
All right, thanks, Judge.
Uh-huh. Okay, you want to bring your client out? Madam Clerk, if you would get ready to call the Jason Thomas matter, please.
For Jason Charles Thomas, SP 1895891, counts 1, 2, and 3, consuming marijuana while operating a motor vehicle, motorboat, or ORV, improper lane usage, and alcohol in a motor vehicle driver.
Thank you. Attorney Fanning, your appearance, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. If it pleases the court, Attorney Andrea Fanning, P 42853. I'm appearing with my client, Mr. Jason Thomas. Mr. Thomas, please identify yourself.
Jason Thomas.
Thank you. Your Honor, I believe today is date and time scheduled for trial. It's my understanding the officers that failed to appear, I would move to have it dismissed.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Thomas, the officer who was subpoenaed to appear for trial today has not appeared and has failed to notify the court as to the reason for their non-appearance. For that reason, I will grant the motion to dismiss the tickets at this time. The dismissal, because it's based on the officer's failure to appear, is without prejudice. That means they could refile it at a later date. It is not their norm to do so. If it does happen, you'll come back and see me again. Okay, but as of now, the cases are dismissed.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Attorney Fanning. You do the same.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Good to see you. All right, Mr. Thomas, have a good day.
You too.
Thanks.
Did that drop a file over there?
We need Bothman. Madam Clerk, would you please send one more message letting him know that he is our last matter. City attorney and officers are waiting, as well as his client.
Okay.
Thank you. Hey, Attorney Kaufman.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm sorry to be late.
That's okay. Tamika is waiting for you in room 2. 2 officers here on your matter, and your client's in room 3.
I have 2 clients.
Tucker didn't show. I only have Destiny Thomas here.
Destiny.
Oh,
Okay, I'm pulling that SOS right now, Mr. Bachman.
I'm gonna call Tucker.
Okay.
The officer did appear for Tucker. He was in person. He's in another courtroom.
Okay.
In the courthouse.
Thank you.
Oh, can I see her SOS too? Might as well get them both. Get a chance.
Tucker said he was on his own man.
Oh,
Chris Thomas.
yeah. Attorney Tompkins just said he would zoom in, but he did appear. I think that's him now.
We've got Officer Thomas coming in. Good morning, Officer Thomas. Which case are you here on, please? Officer Thomas, please unmute. Let me know which case you're here on.
Hey, here.
Now I can. Who are you here for today?
Today I am here for. Let me just. Sorry. It's going to be Jesse Tucker.
Tucker. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Have not had Jesse Tucker check in yet. His or her attorney is reaching out to them now. So we'll see. Prosecutor is in the courtroom, but she'll come see you in room 1 shortly. I'm going to go ahead and move you to room 1.
Thank you.
Unless, Ms. Horn, you want me to keep Officer Thomas out here?
I can talk to him in the breakout room. I'm pulling her SOS right now, Officer Thomas. I'll be with you real shortly. Thank you.
Okay, send you to room 1. Thank you. Go ahead and join room 1, Officer Thomas. Just hit join and the
Will
city
do.
attorney will be there. Okay, thanks. Jesse Tucker, good morning. I'm moving you to room 4 so you can meet with your attorney. Please join room 4, Jesse Tucker.
Miss Kim,
Yes.
both Jakeem Taylor and Mr. Shanderick T, they both got trial dates for the 30th.
And Sean Derrick. Okie dokie.
Okay, I'm assuming there's no one else gonna check in.
No, these are last two, I guess.
Okay. Well, you all have a wonderful day.
You too. Have a great day.
Thank you.
See you soon.
Yes.
And Madam Clerk, while Mr. Boffman is talking to his client, I'm gonna hop over to the other courtroom. I think they're gonna plea. We'll check on Destiny Thomas. If that goes to trial, at least I'll come right back.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Be right with you, Ms. Thomas, when your attorney comes out, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stop your video for you until he gets here.
Don't cry. You try something?
All right, looks like we're ready. Madam Clerk, would you pull the files for Destiny Thomas and Jesse Tucker, please? Ready to call them.
Okay. For Destiny Nicole Thomas, we have SP 1881718 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1881746 count 1, and SP 1881727 counts 1, 2, and 3.
Thank you. Destiny Thomas, please turn on your camera so I know that you can hear me.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning.
Tamika
Your
Horn
Honor.
on behalf of the city of Detroit, sorry. P70303.
All
May
right,
it
thank
please
you.
the court. Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant, Destiny Thomas. State your full name, please.
Destiny Nicole Thomas.
And Your Honor, for the record, Officer Duthard and Stevenson were both here and available and are available for trial.
All right, thank you. Let's make sure they're not still in breakout room 1. They're not. Okay, go
So,
ahead.
Your Honor, my client is aware of her right to a trial as well as the rights attendant to trial. You're going to go over with her. She knows she's waiving those here today. She's skipping that event. She's going to plead guilty to 1 count of drag racing. The balance of the matters set for trial here today would be dismissed. I stipulate to probable cause as to each matter being dismissed, and she's ready to give you a factual basis to accept her guilty plea.
And that's true, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Thomas.
Yes,
does
ma'am.
what counsel said sound correct to you that there's going to be 1 count of drag racing with everything else being dismissed?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else that I don't know about to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you aware you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right. Madam Clerk, date and location, please.
March 25th, 2026, Hayes and East Otter Drive, count 3, reckless driving.
Thank you. All right. Ms. Thomas, were you operating a vehicle at that date and location in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And what did you do to operate the vehicle recklessly?
I went through a red light.
Okay, all right. And we are reducing that to drag racing. Did you do anything else besides run the red light?
No, ma'am.
Were you speeding? Were you going in and out of traffic?
I was at a point of no return, but yes, I was going over the limit, ma'am.
Okay, all right, thank you. I will accept the plea, Mr. Boffin, as long as you're satisfied with the factual basis at this time.
Well, I am satisfied with the factual basis. May I ask one question?
Sure.
You understand, Ms. Thomas, that you're being accused here of reckless driving. And is that what you're admitting to, driving recklessly?
No, I'm not.
Well, that's what the plea deal requires. It
Oh, well, yes.
will be reduced, but you're gonna have to make a factual basis to reckless driving. I just want to make sure you understand you're making a factual basis to reckless driving.
Okay.
So
For reckless driving, we need to have a combination of just more than one offense, right? If it was just running a red light, then that's the charge we would have before us. If it was just speeding, then that's the charge we would have before us. Here, Ms. Thomas has admitted to both speeding and running a red light. That to me would be combined factors to satisfy reckless driving. I just need to know, counsel, if you agree, given the admission to both of those things, or if you think something additional is required.
Nothing more is needed, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you,
Attorney
Your
Horn?
Honor. Oh, thank you, Your Honor. I just wanted to clarify that for purposes of the plea, you're doing it voluntarily, and if you don't feel that you're guilty, we can move forward with trial, and I know your attorney did advise you of that. I would not accept the plea if you deny doing anything that led to the level of recklessness. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so that's why the court engaged in some more extensive questioning than normal as to the factual basis, because I can tell Ms. Thomas is quite distraught about entering the plea. And that doesn't void it. It's okay to regret that you're entering a plea to something that you did. And so as long as everyone's good on the factual basis, which it sounds like we are at this point, then we'll proceed.
Yes, Your Honor. I continue to be satisfied.
Okay.
And Your Honor, the people will amend the offer because it is my understanding what her lifestyle and livelihood is. The people will amend it if the court will accept to careless.
Wow, that's nice. We appreciate that.
Please, thank you so much.
Appreciate your mercy.
Absolutely.
All right. All right. We can use the same basis as to the careless driving.
Yes.
So if everyone is satisfied, we will amend the offer to the careless driving. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor, to 3 points, and it does convert to a civil infraction. So Ms. Thomas, as your attorney, would advise that it's not a misdemeanor now.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We just want to tell you why the defendant is so thankful. She had some other issues and has an outstanding expungement petition. She was seriously worried that this was going to.
I've been home for 7 years and I've just been on the right track.
Okay.
I'm so glad to hear that, Ms. Thomas.
Now I take care of my mom she had a stroke 3 years ago and I take care of her full blown and she fell that night and I'm sorry. And I'm sorry to the police officers too. So I'm just sorry.
We are so thankful. We are so thankful.
I'm thankful you're back. You're on track. I mean, you are a very productive member of our society. You've paid your dues, and I'm proud to extend that offer to you.
Thank you so much.
All right. Yeah, I'm really glad that everything has come together today. I'm really glad that you're back out here with us. There are some really terrifying things happening at Huron Valley right now. And so to know that you are here with us and doing so well.
Thank you so much.
I didn't know that, Ms. Thomas. We just talked about your commercial driver license. He did not. I didn't know that part of it. So
yes, ma'am. I just obtained my permit. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Awesome.
Mr. Boffman, did you want to go revisit this matter?
Yeah, if we can do better, let's talk about it.
Let's revisit. Yeah.
Thank you.
There are a lot of things on the line here.
Why don't I put you guys want to all go into the same breakout room, or do you want to just go in with Ms. Horn? How would you like to handle this, Mr. Boffman?
I can just go to room 2.
I can call you.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
Okay, I'll go get my phone. I left everything. Sorry.
Okay, Ms. Thomas, just hang out with me for a minute here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna turn your camera off again.
Judge, if you want to call Miss Tucker.
Oh, Jesse Tucker, yeah, let's get that one done quickly. Madam Clerk, could you call Jesse Tucker, please?
Jesse Ann Tucker, SP 1876989, counts 1, 2, and 3. Fail to stop for a stop sign, minor in possession of alcohol, open alcohol, and a motor vehicle driver.
Thank you. Counsel.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Give us your full name, ma'am.
Deanne Tucker.
Thank you.
Miss Tucker, would you tell the judge how old you are today?
I'm 20 years old.
Okay.
All right.
So, Your Honor, the defendant is going to make a plea of guilty to the minor in possession of alcohol. There's a recommendation for a 90-day delayed sentence.
Wonderful.
He's also going to plead on the moving violation, and that will be reduced to speed 1 to 5 over in a limited access zone, 0 points, and we're asking respectfully if you would consider it fine.
All right, thank you. All right, Ms. Tucker, sounds like you've got a really good resolution here today. Please make sure that you take advantage of it and this kind of thing doesn't happen again, because this will come off your record in 90 days as long as we don't get any similar tickets and you pay your fine, okay? All right.
Yes.
As to the minor in possession. All right. Did anyone promise you anything that I haven't heard about today, Ms. Tucker, to get you to plead guilty?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
No, wait, do I have to say that?
You just have to swear to tell the truth.
I swear to tell the truth today.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location on the minor in possession, please?
March 29, 2026, East Brentwood and Beach.
Ms. Tucker, at that date and location in the city of Detroit, were you in the possession of alcohol?
Yes, the day before I took my friends to the club, two of my friends, and they were drinking in the back and they had left their bottle behind. In the morning, I drove my boyfriend home and then I got pulled over and they saw that it was in the back seat.
Were you aware that the alcohol was in the back seat?
I was not aware. I had just found out in that moment.
All right. All right, Attorney Baughman, sounds like you've got some work to do with Ms. Horn on both of these cases. Ms. Tucker, stand by. I remember Ms. Tucker, quite frankly, because I remember her telling me, I think now that she said this, I remember, were you the designated driver for your friends that night, the night before?
Yes, I was. Mm-hmm.
That might be something Ms. Horn is interested to know. She's kept that story consistent. Both times she's been in front of me that she was in fact the designated driver of the vehicle from the night before, and those things had been left. Okay, I'm going to stop your video, mute you, just hang out with us for a little bit. Mr. Baughman will go talk to Ms. Horn, let her know we're having difficulty laying a factual basis here given the facts.
That's okay. I also let her know that she just called me and we're going to stick with the resolution that we have for Miss.
Okay, so we've got, I see Ms. Horn is back in the courtroom. If there's anything you guys want to say out here, which is very public, or if you need to talk to each other in private, that's fine.
So yeah,
No, I don't have the authority to go any lower considering the tickets that were issued on this stop too.
Yeah, that's fine, but we have another issue with Miss Tucker.
Miss Tucker, yeah.
And she's having a difficulty making a factual basis, and I would hope that you and I can talk about it. Can you call me back?
Yes, I will.
All right, thank you.
Okay,
we'll be
so
ready
Ms.
on
Thomas,
both cases shortly.
Okay.
Oh, we can go on Miss Thomas now.
We could finish up Ms. Thomas, right? That's into the same. Okay. All right. Okay, Ms. Thomas. So we are left with the careless driving, which they did reduce for you. Okay. She went to see if she could do anything else for you, but because you do have a number of tickets that you appeared on today and a number of them are being dismissed, Ms. Horn has reached the end of her authority. It sounds like she did try to see if she could do something else, but this is where we are. Okay.
I think I think everything is as it is going to leave you in a place because it's not a misdemeanor. It's going to be a civil infraction on this case that you'll be able to receive your expungement. You'll be able to hopefully pay a fine in this case. But I mean, let not the lesson be lost on you that you need to be more careful in your driving behaviors, Miss Thomas.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank
We're
you for
ready.
that reminder, Mr.
Yeah.
Bothman. All right, so we had gotten to the point where we established the factual basis as to the plea. Everyone was satisfied. Court will accept the plea as knowingly and voluntarily given. The fine, Ms. Thomas, Madam Clerk, can you remind me on careless, please?
$210.
Okay, so it's $210 because I know you're taking care of your mom and trying to do a lot of things. I'm gonna give you 90 days on this, okay? So you got 3 months. And if you need more than 3 months, you can go and see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse. And they can
Yes.
put you on a longer term payment plan. You just have to give them a down payment of some sort. So if you know you're going to want a long-term payment plan, go see them soon because you might have old tickets and default, things like that, that they're going to roll in. So you just kind of want to know you understand the whole universe of what you're dealing with, okay?
Yes.
But as for me, as for this today, 210, 90 days to get it paid or start on a payment plan.
Thank you. I appreciate you
All
guys.
right, good luck to you with everything.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
I'll
Okay,
call you right
Bob-
now.
Okay, I'll meet you.
Okay, Ms. Tucker will be with you shortly. Attorneys need to talk.
Madam Clerk, let me grab a copy of that ticket. Oh, here he is. I'm getting a copy of the ticket too. Hold on one second.
Sorry, I just lost connection, but I'm back.
You didn't miss anything.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Sorry about the wait. I'm here.
I think they may still be talking.
Oh, okay. I saw Mr. Boffman's device in the main room.
Yeah, we're just waiting on a report from the officer, an okay from the officer.
Gotcha. Okay, thanks.
We're ready, Your Honor.
Okay.
Ms. Tucker,
Yes.
thankfully, the good officer who wrote that ticket has agreed that they would dismiss based on your honesty.
All right. Thank you. Yeah, she's been consistent, and we want to reward our designated drivers, not punish them. So thank you. Thank you for doing that that night. It could have saved somebody's life. All right. So what we are left though is the speeding 1 to 5 limited access. We're back on the record in City versus Jesse Tucker. Ms. Tucker, you have stated your name. We were in the factual basis for the minor in possession, which has now been dismissed in the interest of justice. I'm going to go ahead and grant that dismissal in the interest of justice. But you are admitting that at the date and location that was stated by Madam Clerk that you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to accept your admission. The fine on it is $125. It's a limited access ticket, so it's 0 points. Okay.
Okay.
Can you get that paid in 60 days?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll give you 60 days, 125. If you can't get it all paid in the 60 days, there is a cashier on the first floor of the courthouse that can put you in a longer term payment plan if you need one. Okay, Ms. Horn, thank you for revisiting that. You want to go ahead and place your appearance on the record once again?
Thank you, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit.
Thank you.
And Officer Christopher Thomas was here for the record and available for trial. I saw his advisement on our offer.
All right, thank you. All right, so we've got the 1 to 5 limited access, 125, 60 days, or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Ms. Horn.
Okay, thank you.
Good day, everybody.
Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you. Here go your pen back. Thank you.
Maurice Pilgrim, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Do you know what time you're scheduled for court today?
I wasn't scheduled today. I was given this I was actually giving your number because I wanted to ask for an extension because I had 3 tickets that were due today.
Okay.
And they was and I'll get paid next Friday. I was trying to see if I was able to get an extension on those.
Yeah, we'll give you an extension. Madam Clerk, could you pull up the Maurice Pilgrim matter, please?
Okay. Is Maurice Antoine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, there's 2 for $190 each and 1 for $100.
Okay. All right, so what we'll do is, Mr. Pilgrim, I'll push this out for another 30 days to give you time. You know you can get on a payment plan with the cashiers.
Yeah, but I I plan on paying the whole thing off. I do get paid, next week, so I do plan on it. I just wanted to make sure I had let you just know that at least, and I do appreciate it.
Sure. I mean, it's okay, but just so you know, if you need more time, I just don't want you to lose the benefit of whatever deal you had that day. So if you can't get it all paid off within the next 30 days, start on the payment plan, use your money towards the payment plan, get started on it. Okay?
Okay, all right, I appreciate that.
All right. Have a good day.
Yep.
One of these is a delayed sentence. He needs to have it paid. It was a 6-month delayed sentence. He needs to have it paid by September 8th.
Oh, see, one of them you have until September 8th on it.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Those other two you need to get paid though. Okay?
Okay, thank you. I
All
believe
right.
it's the other three, correct?
Yep.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate you.
Okay. All right. Have a
Yep.
good day. Bye-bye.
Yep.
All right. Thank you everyone for your work today.
Okay.
Or this morning. I'll see you later. Okay.
Thanks, Judge. Bye.
Thank you guys.
Bye,
Bye.
Kim.
Okay, see you later.
All right.